Motorcarnut here, and today we're talking about sealants and the proper techniques how to use sealants, the difference between an anaerobic sealant and a regular gasket maker sealant. There's all different applications for this, and here's a perfect example of somebody using the wrong sealant. And what it did, it actually blew the top end of the head as if it was seized. Now, look at this gasket material that they use. They use the gasket maker when it's supposed to be an anaerobic, like this one. Zoom it in. It's like a flange gasket. It's thinner, you put it on thinner, and it holds more extreme pressures, and it's designed for extremely tight tolerances, as like in this VW TSI cam assembly that goes on the cylinder head itself. Now, what they used, something similar to this, which is nothing wrong with this. I use this all the time. You can use this on oil pan gaskets. You can use it on the side gaskets. It's great, but this mechanical, whoever it was, used it where it doesn't belong. And what it did, and even if they use it a thinner amount, it doesn't matter. This is such a machine surface that if you put a little bit, it's going to squeeze out a lot, whereas the anaerobic doesn't. It holds higher pressure with less amount, and it gets rolled on very thin. Okay, what they did is they put this regular gasket maker on it. It squished into the bearing where the oil bearings go. Look at this. And totally destroyed it. Look at it over there. See? Totally destroyed it. Destroyed the cams. Okay? So not only the whole head has to be replaced now. The cam bridge, the cradle, whatever you call it, the head itself, all the internals, the cams and everything, all because somebody thought it was a good idea to use the improper sealant or didn't care enough to see what the manufacturer recommends. All right? If you look over here, these are all supposed to be dug out, nice and clean, so when the gasket maker, the anaerobic sealer, seals, it doesn't go into the spark plug areas. All right? Same thing over here. All right? So when it seals, and here's a seam that it doesn't go past that seam. This one, they put it went here, bad, right over here. Here, not only did it go over, it went into the bearing where the oil goes, seized it up. So basically, it cost thousands of dollars of damage because they didn't know what they were doing, didn't care what they were doing, was just plain stupid. Can't fix stupid. So now this all has to be rebuilt, all for no reason, okay? And so when you're rebuilding any kind of head, this is a VW, it doesn't really matter. You always find what the manufacturer recommends. Now, if they recommend a gasket maker, you don't have to use Toyota, Hyundai, or whatever. You can use this. That's fine. But when they're talking about different types of sealant, like a flange sealant, you cannot substitute a flange sealant for a gasket maker. All right, that's the whole point of it. And if you're going to ask why again, you'll destroy your engine. It'll cost you thousands of dollars unprovoked. In other words, it was nothing on the owner brought the car in for a timing chain, you know, the typical on these cars. And what happens, it probably lasted maybe a month or two before, not even a month, who knows, a couple of weeks. And, you know, he didn't bring it back. He figured that they said there was nothing they can do. And, you know, I'm not getting involved with that because I don't know the situation. But I'm just trying to teach my viewers how to avoid things like that if you're doing it yourself. If a mechanic's doing it, you know, you usually have a warranty. Okay, I don't know the situation with this one, but if you guys are doing it yourself, do not substitute and do not get cheap. I don't feel like going to the store and getting the proper gasket sealant. You know, I'll just do that. I wouldn't recommend it. All right, guys. Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. You learned something, give me a super thanks. I would appreciate it. Any questions, leave them below. I answer all my questions pertaining to the videos. Thank you very much for watching, guys.